Chickpeas 300 grams. Soaked overnight. Drained water. Baking soda ¼ tsp. Mix. Add ½ cup oil. In pot. Add freshly black pepper crushed, 1 tsp. Mix. ¼ tsp garam masala. One and a quarter tsp red chili powder. Salt to taste. Mix. Add water ½ cup. Mix well. Add chickpeas. Mix well. Add 4 cup water. Mix well. After boiled water, whistle 10 minutes or cook 100%. It's done. Garnish with green coriander and green chilies. Breakfast chickpeas. Today's special chicker Chany in menu. Like, share, subscribe. Super delicious. For watching, thanks. Coon Food Official.